I have always thought that the big guys need a big guns. It's not just about the firepower, but about the deterrent effect. Just look at this.
Give me all your money! Give me all your money!
Aha! Stop it! Now you see, the bad guy is laughing, so I can run away. See you! It looks like a toy, but it's not a toy. Actually, it's not American Arms revolver, 22 Winchester Magnum, and as you see, if you compare it with other rounds, here is 9mm Parabellum, 22 Winchester Magnum and 22 long rifle. If you compare it, it's not so small.
That's what she said?
And it has over 300 joules of energy, so it can hurt you really, really bad. So be careful. How to disassemble this? Just push the pin here and it's ready to load. So we load it with 1, 2, 3, 4 22 Winchester Magnum, and the last one will be 22. So now we need to assemble this like this. Yep, it's ready to roll. Let's check. It's single action only. So, first round, second, third, fourth. You see the difference? It was 22 LR. And the last one. Very nice. Hey, did you check the gun? Fuck it. Fuck the safety. This is my safety. We had a lot of fun on the shooting range. Now it's time for cleaning. So, first is our Tiger, North American Arms. As you see, it's very interesting revolver because it has holster included. And with my hands, it won't be easy, but we'll try. So first we need to disassemble. We push the pin here, like this. We pull out the cylinder, and that's it. So we can start cleaning. First, our protecting towel with foil, and the same procedure all the time. So we start for bore form, shake it, and we can fulfill our cylinder like this. Oh my god, it's so small.
That's what she said!
Okay, and leave it for 5-10 minutes. The same story here in the barrel. It's 1 inch. Okay, and we are waiting. Here's no wood, only steel, so we can put bore foam safely all over the gun. So now we are waiting. So we waited 10 minutes. Now let's take gun cleaner. We need to remove foam. Okay, shake it and spray it. Cylinder, and here we need to use brush. You see, now it's clean. We use our towel. Let's check. Here the chamber. It's really fun in the chamber. It's so small. Okay. Here. And we use our gun care towel. So now the gun is clean. Oh, I forgot about this. So now the gun is clean and we can protect it from the rust. So we use car spray with Teflon. We spray everything. And dry it with our towel. So this is the Teflon, so it goes inside the steel. We don't need to leave the oil film outside. It will be protected and dry. This one. This one. And we have some car spray inside, so we can use compressor to remove it. Of course we can use bore snake too, but compressor is faster. So we remove it, and we need to dry the barrel inside. So we use our bore snake. Here it will be difficult, but we can handle with this, I suppose. Okay, of course in 22 caliber. And let's rock. Yeah, just be careful with this. It's too small. Let's try. Nope. We need to do it step by step. So like this. That's why we prefer to make a loop. But here it's too small. And okay, that's it. We have clean and protected gun. Now we need to lubricate it. So for this, we use CLP oil. Very efficient oil, just one drop here and one drop here. Okay, and let's assemble this. It's too small for my fingers, but we will try. Okay, yeah, perfect. Now we can use our polishing towel outside. And here you have gone clean, protected and dry.